I'm going to show you the best crypto to buy right now, the best crypto to invest in right now, and I'm going to show you why this crypto is the perfect type of crypto to buy to actually reduce the chances of you losing your money and actually at the same time increase your chances of you actually being profitable from buying this exact type of crypto that I'm going to show you in this video. And actually, like it's on the video title, it's a no lose or can't lose type of crypto, and I'm going to explain because I'm not the type of guy that's going to come here and tell you to buy coin X without giving you valid reason.
Okay. We're going to talk about the whole XRP news, what I think is actually happening, why this could be the last Bitcoin bull run in America. And also too, if you are not paying attention to the Web3 gaming, you need to be. You absolutely need to be. And I've talked about Web3 gaming on my channel again. I'm not the biggest gamer, and that's okay. I don't need to be the biggest gamer. But I understand how important Web3 gaming is for mass adoption because that is literally the only industry.
Hi, future billionaires. This is Finvest Alert, your one-stop channel for getting alerts of detailed tutorial videos on how to make money online. Now you don't have to worry about searching for the right keywords or prompts to use while searching for a well-detailed financial tutorial video. Finvest Alert got you covered. Today, as usual, we have interesting videos for you and where you can find them. Therefore, sit tight and grab a cup of your favorite beverage. Let's dive in. The first channel today is going to show you a potential billion-dollar print cryptocurrency to look out for, where, when, and how to buy it. This second channel will enlighten you on the issues of XRP and how this may be the last bull run in the crypto market, especially in the United States. Stay put as we hear from the horse's mouth after Finvest INTERNODE.
So the name of this crypto type that I can confidently tell you is one of the best cryptos to buy right now is crypto types called crypto exchange owned coins. Now these are coins owned by crypto exchanges themselves. Now let me explain something to you. If you're on the world of crypto, you definitely know about Binance, you know about crypto.com, you know about Coinbase, you know about CoinX, you know about Femex, you know about OKX, KuCoin. And yes, if you know them, fine. If you're one of the people who's a total beginner, you're just looking for the best cryptos to buy, let me just tell you what they are. These are like the banks. The way you have banks in your country who hold your money, these guys are the bank for the crypto world. And each and every one of them, or not each and every one of them, most of them have their own coins, their own exchange coins. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how well some of these have performed in the past quickly. And after showing you how well some of these have performed in the past, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the particular one I'm going for in this video and why. So for Binance, you can see that this is their own token, like they actually own this token. So BNB right here. Now let me show you guys something. If we zoom out of like the whole craze in the crypto market, you can see that BNB was here. Like this is where it was at. Then it got here around the bull market. Everything went crazy when everybody was like crypto was the in thing. Now watch what happened when all the hype died down after the whole 2021 bull run. Everything died down. The whole token went down. But even as the market went down, everything went down. A lot of companies collapsed and all. These guys were still able to hold this kind of level. So here right now, you can see what it looks like. It's still up right here, and it can still go up. Now, buying this one is kind of gone. Just showing you guys this one so you can see how strong these coins are, and it's obvious why they are this strong. These guys are the ones that control all the money in the market. They hold the money for you. They do almost everything for you. Those of you guys who use centralized exchanges though, right? So this is just Binance. So this is the one for OKX. This is one that's owned by OKX. Currently it's worth about $40, and you can see that here where if we go and zoom out, you can see it's just like the Binance one. Went up, pumped here, went down, still held its strength, went up again. So you can see how these coins perform. Like it's a pattern. There's a rhythm to everything. So coming here as well for the KuCoin one, you can see that KuCoin here has their own worth about $8 at the time of me making this, and going to max right here, you can see that it's actually doing the same thing. So it went up here, still held its thing here. You can see it's going up again because the halving has happened, and like there's supposed to be another pump coming, right? So these are things you should take advantage of if you're someone who's all about the money, right? They also, if you're about the money, go ahead and like. So that one say this is the last one I'm going to show you right here. This is one called Chronos right here. So this owned by crypto.com. I'm going to go to max right here. You can see what it did around the 2020 period. It's still here. It's still trying to go up. It's still struggling, but these things are not struggling as much as other coins struggle in times like this. Because at the time of me recording this video, the market is not as good as we want it to be. Things are not pumping. But But at the same time, these coins are still holding their strength. And that is because if you look at it, you can see it has a market cap of $2.2 billion, guys. $2.2 billion. This one here has a market cap of about $960 million. This one here has a market cap of about $2.4 billion. Right here, BNB has a market cap of about $80 billion. So these are things I want you to understand. So you understand that when I show you what I'm showing you here, I'm not capping out. All these coins that I'm showing you here, a lot of them are sealed chips. What I mean by a sealed chip is that people have already bought a lot of them. Now, a lot of them are still gonna pump, right? But where you're gonna make the main money is finding the guys who are still early, kind of early in the whole game, you know? So when you buy, you know that these guys are a proper exchange. They're actually fighting to come to the top, to become a top exchange. Buying them is gonna mean a lot of money for you. Do you get what I'm saying? So for the particular coin that I'm actually showing you guys in this video, this is it right here. It's called CET.
Continue watching to see the name of this channel and the video title. You are awesome if you watched to this point. If you love our alert video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you.
And this XRP news proves that this actually might be the last Bitcoin bull run. And I know that sounds a little bit weird. Anyways, welcome back to the O Show. Everything crypto, every single day. I'm Wendy O. You want more, so let's get into it. All right, before we do a market update, we're going to talk about IMX. I'm actually going to make a video for you guys about IMX on the second media. I can't even talk. It's price down. Hold on. Price down. Because it's super, super important, primarily because the SEC is ridiculous and they hate us. That's neither here nor there. But let's get into this. This is from 21 Shares. So 21 Shares officially applied for an XRP ETF. This is the second XRP ETF that was submitted to the SEC in the last 30 days. The first one was from Bitwise, and now we have 21 Shares. Maybe it was Grayscale too. I forgot. But I remember too. And this is important. Why is it important? We're going to cover and go over because I got some thoughts now. Got some thoughts on why, like what is happening. So 21 Shares is a crypto investment firm. They are the world's largest suite of crypto exchange traded products, ETPs. They launched their first physically backed Bitcoin and Ethereum ETPs, and they manage over $2 billion under assets. So let's talk about this a little bit. Why are they doing it? So there's a couple things we need to talk about.
And there you have it. 2 amazing tutorial videos for today. The name of the first channel is called Daniel's Hustle. The title of the video is Best Crypto to Invest in Cryptocurrency Investment for Beginners Cryptocurrency for Dummies. Just exactly in that written format. The name of the second channel is called Crypto Wendy O. The title of the video is Huge XRP News Just Broke, Proves This Will Be the Last Bitcoin Bull Run. Remember to leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. Subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next alert.